Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, الَّذِينَ يَذْكُرُونَ اللَّهَ قِيَامًا وَقُعُودًا وَعَلَى جُنُوبِهِمْ وَيَتَفَكَّرُونَ فِي خَلْقِ السَّمَوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. Those who remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, standing and sitting and lying on their sides and every moment of their lives, and they probe into the secrets of those laws which govern the heavenly bodies and of the entire cosmos and of this earth. So, my dear brothers and sisters, that we are living again in this materialistic world. We are under pressure. Time is moving fast. Understand Surah Al Asr. Wal Asr innal insana lafi khusr illa alladhina amanu wa amilu salihati wa tawassaw bil haqq wa tawassaw bis sabr. Time is moving fast. We're in this energetic system. We need to pull back. But how do we utilize our time? We must every day rewire. So again, ideally, if we can connect with the natural world and have that time, then do it. But if not, if we're just going to the shops and we're passing trees, if we're driving on the road and we see countryside, but we're still within our car, we can still contemplate about the trees, look at the sky. If we just look up. So ideally, if we can connect, if we can go out into the countryside or to the forest or to the seaside, the coast, alhamdulillah. But if not, go into the garden, when we're walking to the shop, when we're walking to work, when we're walking to school and college, just lift up our heads and see the sky. Go out at night time, see the stars. Walking, resting, laying. Understand the ayat of the Qur'an. This will help in the rewiring of our brains, which is a must. If we can rewire our brains, that will help to connect to the heart. And the heart is key. And this is a subject that we will lead on to at some stage, inshallah ta'ala. But I'm just trying to take you through this process one step at a time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.